shot of the game as here's Tyron Walker rejected by the front of the rim.
5 London players around the rim and they give it a turnover. Amir Williams.
And they make them pay.
Yeah.
Was that ball going to hit every part of the rim before it went in?
It's too easy.
Yeah.
It's too much of a touch shot, right? It's just, you just can't do it.
Jones sprinting
22
up the court. Look at this
left.
speed from
Yeah.
Jones. Isom didn't see the Chris Jones pass. Allows the disruption from Ferguson to lead up the court to Kindred. Easy peasy.
Meantime, London, I think, 2 turnovers the last 2 possessions.